Alright guys, and we're live. In today's video, we're going to be installing the Broadway Mirror. Very cheap mod, man. Got off of eBay for only $9. We're going to see if it's worth it. It looks high quality, man, for what I paid for. It looks very high quality. We're going to see right now, so let's just get right into it. So this is what it looks like out the box. It's pretty big in hand, but to install it, all you got to use is these little clamps right here. So they go up and down. So this is very easy installment. You just clamp it onto the rear view that you got. So that's what's cool about this thing, is that you don't have to remove the one that you got on your car. All you gotta do is clamp this one on. But before we install it, I'm gonna show you guys the size difference between the one that I have right now and this one. All right guys, so this is a size difference. So definitely looks a lot bigger and a lot better. So this is the 300mm version that I have. So this is what you're looking at if you get that version. So again, very easy installment, looks a lot better, definitely a lot bigger than the OEM rear view mirror that it's in my car. 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback is what I drive. And yeah, let's just get straight into the installment. Alright guys, let's go ahead and install it. So again, just use the clamps that go up and down. And then what I'm gonna do, just go ahead and start from the top, bring it down, bam, that easy, man. Looks very good, man. Looks super high quality, dude. You only paid $9 for this thing. Looks really good, man. Go ahead and take you guys off and give you guys a look. And here we are, guys. This is what it looks like. Looks really good, man. Again, only $9. Looks damn good. So I know a lot of people are concerned if they hit the sun visors. Now in other cars I think they do, but in mine it doesn't. So if you drive a 2018 Honda Civic Hatchback, 300mm is the way to go. So yeah, man, it looks really good. Alright guys, that concludes the video. Thanks for tuning in. I highly recommend the product. Very easy to install and it's very cheap. You can't beat it, man. $9. Go grab them, man. I'll leave the link in the description so you guys could cop them. Again, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, guys.